There's something so comforting about winter. Cozy knits, warm blankets, and the simple joy of reading by a warm fire. Today I'm bringing that cozy cottagecore aesthetic to your desktop with a knitting-themed wallpaper design. This piece blends shades of wintry blue, delicate floral patterns, and yarn. So grab a cup of tea or coffee and let's create something beautiful together in Canva. I'm going to create this desktop theme in blue, and so I looked up the color to see what color palettes Canva had to offer. I have 4 colors to choose, and so we'll pick them from Steadfast Stainless, and I do like this one dark one from In the Blue. I copied the layout of these boxes from the yellow design, which is in another video. I created this design years ago, and I remembered it for this project because, to me, it has a crafty vibe to it. We'll start by copying this blue and white heart. Oops, the design has a transparent background. So what I'll do is copy the heart and then change the color to white. Now I'll use the layer controls to move it behind the designed heart. And now we have a white background. I am going to go into the position sidebar after all so that I can select both elements and group them together. I'm just going to look for a knitting element to add to the design. I like this one. It looks like the beginnings of a scarf. I'm going to use it even though it's purple because it blends well with the blue. Now I'm just going to look for a ball of yarn. I like this one. It looks like a hand-painted or hand-drawn look, and I think it matches the colors that we already have going on. Okay, let's try and find some elements under crochet. Oh, you can change the color on this. I do like this one too. I might have to consider it instead of the purple one. Instead of changing it to blue, we'll try purple. I like this yarn ball too. We'll change it to match the theme. Nice, but I'm not 100% sold. Let's look at some other options. This element is cute. It has a ball of yarn, a heart, and a little crocheted element. I'll just flip it around and change the colors. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. You're welcome to get this desktop wallpaper for yourself for free at my website. They're available for all members and signing up is completely free. The link is in the description, so go check it out. If you like this knitting theme, check out my flower arrangement video. It has a cute knitted bird and even a ball of yarn. I'm just going to move things around a little. A place to put files and apps, and for me I have some inspo pictures. Now I'm going to look for a cute quote to put on our desktop. Now let's see what color would be best. Now, in order to make it more readable, I'm going to add a circle, then change it to white, make it more transparent, and move it behind the quote.